right? Like I said, 2 Italian meat sandwiches. No mozzarella. I do love mozzarella though. I love all kinds of cheeses. I just end up getting Kobe Jack most of the time. I'm going to put it in the fridge like this because in Asian countries, when they have like tomatoes and stuff in there, they have it sit inside of a cool, refrigerator or something so that the tomato doesn't, wet or the bread doesn't get soggy. So I'm just going to have them like this on the side here. And that's the sandwich meat. Hold on. Italian sandwich meat. Imported from Italy. Alright. I haven't eaten anything yet. I've already cleaned Demon Master Flopsy's room and mopped and whatnot. But this will be my breakfast. I'm just watching the wasps on the window. They're normally there every they're normally there. On the window. You see them?